What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game The Alters, the Deluxe Edition on your PC. So what we will do is go to our Google browser and we will quickly search up this game on Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. Now what we are doing is search up the Steam website, quickly go there and search there for The Alters. Now once you have done that, select the game, scroll a little bit down and you will find this game, the Deluxe Edition bundle, for just €49.48. Very expensive if you ask me. That is why we will go to the link in the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Now you will be redirected to this webpage and you are able to download this game much cheaper than on Steam. So we will search for the same game, The Alters, and after that select of course games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and now all the games will be shown to us. Now scroll a little bit down and as you can see we have different options, but since we want to have the Deluxe Edition we will add the Deluxe behind it. So search for it and as you can see now we have all the games in our overview. Sort by price lowest first. And as you can see we have the Deluxe Edition here. We will select it and we can already download this game, the Deluxe Edition, for just €27.41 compared to the price on Steam of €49.48. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you buy this game then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key or a completely new legit Steam account with the game in the library so you can download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!